oba twija hari St Joseph University okwenda kuherezayo obuhagizi bwitu ha university hatukwatirine no kuhereza communities ezituturamo n'obwire bwitu bwa customer week okutayira ba customer okubasima abo buhagizi bakuhereza banka abo buhagizi bakuhereza mu kugorora business kandi twinibwo bwire obukubesya okubahereza obuhagizi aha bintu barikwetaga nka community. So we are happy twashemerwa munonga okubahereza tent bakajakira kandi hamyangu neza kubayamba.
You are always happy, and me and Coach Joseph. So when I saw St. Joseph, I said, "Wow!" I said, "Now this is my place, definitely." So we are, for us, we are happy to journey with you, and for me, is to say we can support each other in all ways.
Purposes. Sometimes when we have functions. We need such facilities. When we have, for example, the duration of the when we are what is it? Registered students, new students. Actually, need such facilities so that the officials from the office of the academic register. Orientation. Actually, that is the orientation week. Orientation week. And in any case, if space is not available, it can also be used for teaching and learning purposes.